morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic criteria for similarity of two triangles of chapter 6 triangles. Today I am going to proceed next criteria such as side similarity of triangles. A statement of this criteria side if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal. Dear students, two side triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Dear friends, here given ABC and DEF. ABC and DEF, in which sides are proportional, given. Sides are proportional. So AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, first you to take triangle ABC and DEF such that AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF is less than 1. That means this triangle is smaller than this triangle. Triangle ABC is smaller than triangle DEF. Cut DP equal to AP. DP equal to AB. DQ equal to AC. Now, since AB by DE equal to AC by DF, so AB equal to DP, so DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. There says AB by DE equal to AC by DF. AB equal to DP, so AB equal to DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. It is clear? Since AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. So, by converse of Thales theorem, PQ parallel to EF. A statement of the converse of Thales theorem, if a line divides the triangle in the same ratio, then it must be parallel to third side. So, PQ parallel to EF. Now, by P equal to then PQ equal to EF, so P equal to E and Q equal to F by corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle DPQ similar to triangle DEF by angle similarity. Our angle similarity. Dear students, DPQ similar to DEF whole. Therefore, DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. Since DP equal to AB, so DP by D equal to PQ by EF. DP equal to AB by DE equal to PQ by EF. DP equal to D, but given AB by D equal to BC by EF. So AB by D equal to BC by EF and AB by D equal to PQ by EF. From first and second we get PQ by EF equal to BC by EF. Since EF cancels, so PQ equal to BC. Since PQ equal to BC, hence by construction AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ, and BC equal to PQ. So both triangles are ABC and DPQ are congruent by side. Therefore, if two triangles are congruent, then each angles corresponding angles are equal. B equal to P and C equal to Q. Since A equal to D, B equal to P and C equal to Q, and P equal to also E and Q equal to also F. So A equal to D, B equal to P equal to E, C equal to Q equal to F. Hence A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F. Then both triangles, that means ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. Hence both triangles are similar by angle similarity. Given A equal to D, B equal to P equal to E and C equal to Q equal to F. So both triangles are equiangular. Hence triangles ABC similar to triangle DEF. And next criteria, side angle side. Let us take next criteria. Dear students, next criteria for similarity of two triangles, that is side angle side similarity. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle, and the side including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Here given angle A equal to D and AB by DE equal to AC by DF, then to prove both triangles are similar. Yes, friends, triangle ABC similar to, let us take triangle ABC and triangle DEF such that AB by DE equal to AC by DF less than 1. That means ABC similar to triangle DEF. Cut DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Now in triangle ABC and DPQ, given A equal to D and AC equal to DQ, by construction AB equal to DP and A equal to D and AC equal to DQ. AB equal to DP, A equal to D, AC equal to DQ. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. ABC congruent to triangle DPQ by side angle side congruence. Then A equal to D, B equal to P and C equal to Q, and P equal to E. Therefore, by converse of Thales theorem, AB by DE, now AB by DE equal to AC by DF, given AB equal to DP, AB equal to DP given, and AC equal to DQ by DF, since AB by DP equal to AC by DQ. Hence, by converse of Thales theorem, PQ parallel to EF. Since PQ parallel to EF, so P equal to E, corresponding angles, and P equal to E, Q equal to F by corresponding angles. Now A equal to D already given, and both triangles are congruent, so B equal to P and C equal to Q. So A equal to D, B equal to P equal to E, and C equal to Q equal to F. Therefore, A equal to D, B equal to E, C equal to F. So triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Both triangles are equiangular. So both triangles are similar by angle similarity. So the given triangles are equiangular, so both triangles are similar. So dear students, your criteria for similarity of two triangles are finished. So today's class is also over, and your homework is state and proof side angle side and side similarity of two triangles. Thanks, have a nice day.